Kat birthday cake. Quiet, please. Quiet on the set.
Buddy's excited.
Yeah, it's because I was dancing. He wants to dance too. I really don't know what more to say. We're gonna try this birthday cake Kit Kat. I mean, where can you go wrong?
I love Kit Kats.
Try the flavor.
Yeah, you can definitely go wrong with that. Look at it's king size. I don't know. We got it at Walmart.
Ooh, it's pretty.
Oh, they're sparkly, like
kinda
a
looks-
unicorn.
Confetti.
Yeah, funny. That's what I was thinking of.
Yeah, funfetti. It's supposed to taste like birthday cake, which is weird because everybody likes different kinds of birthday cake. Right? Some people like chocolate, some like vanilla, some like cheesecake. Right on.
I think that's
Smells
more
like
of
a
a
Kit
pie.
Look at them. Are we gonna like these? Oh, look at I messed that one up.
I think I will.
Tori used to love Kit Kats, but now that she's older, she doesn't really
Remember
care
that
as much.
Kit Kat cake I made?
Yeah, you made her
Oh,
a
that
Kit
was
Kat cake.
delicious.
That was a lot of fun.
Crap.
Birthday cake Kit Kat. Hit it.
That tastes a lot of wafer.
I like it.
It's alright.
I like Kit Kats.
Well, I was just drinking a beer, so I don't have anything.
I don't taste anything.
I don't either.
Step away.
That tastes a lot of like the wafer though.
Mhm.
The cookie part. Or whatever that is.
I don't like it.
I don't taste anything. Well, okay, I got a tiny little bit.
I taste a little bit of like frosting.
Frosting. That's really all I'm getting out of it.
I don't
Like you can taste a little bit of vanilla frosting.
it. He wants to
I
see
prefer a chocolate kitty cat.
it. I want to nip it.
Review crew, what say you?
I don't like it.
Dawn doesn't like it.
I prefer a normal Kit Kat.
Yeah. I prefer the normal.
As far as the birthday cake flavor, are you getting anything?
I
Well, it
don't.
tastes like icing and wafer.
Yeah.
Like a vanilla wafer.
Yeah.
Vanilla icing.
Like I get a very faint taste of like what you might consider frosting in a cake. Vanilla. Well, if you want Kit Kats with birthday cake flavor,
Go somewhere else.
don't bother. All right. But short but sweet. That's what we got. All right.
Yeah.
That's it. Peace.